Hello everyone. We will creating a GUI program patient list using Java Eclipse. Just open the Eclipse app and then as you can see we already have many source code on our project. Um, Import javax.swing.asterisk allows you to use the J tables, J radio buttons, J checkbox like that, and then we set a constructor, public registrar, and then the layout and the super patient list, which is the title of the JFrame. And then we already have the source code for the buttons, the text field, and the label. And then like that. After that, we create a column headers for our J table. Patient number, name, age, address, and room number. Then we create a default table model. Model equals to new default table model. Allows you to store data in the table. And then model that set column identifiers. It will allow to input the column headers name and then the set model and then the set row height, which is the columns rows, 50 rows available in the J table. And then J scroll pane provides scrollable view components, allows you to scroll up and down or left to right the J table. And then we have the J button register, J button clear, and J button delete. As you can see, the objects are already organized. Then we need to input the functions in it to perform. Okay. So first we need to input the object. Row equals to new object. We have 5 rows. As you can see, we have the 5 columns. We have 5 rows divided. And then we create the button register. Override public void action perform action event E. And then it allows you to add value on the inside of the table. Then we need to add else if txt f2 dot get text that equals and then semicolon brackets, and then copy this J option pane show message dialog. Paste. And then another 3 text fields, copy and then paste, and then paste again. Then add 3 txt f3 and txt f4 and txt f5. And then we have the row equals to txtf1.getText. When you input variable value on the text field, it will save on the JTable. Then we need to add more. Copy and then paste. This is the row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. Okay.
Next.
Then let's try. As you can see, the value of the JText fields are on the JTable. And then next is the BRN2 action listener, which is the clear
Add.
oh, what happened? Okay. Then we need to list the comments. Okay.
Next. Ano?
Clear button.
Clear button. Next. Add text 1, set text, copy the text F1. Copy and paste. And then we'll change the variable F2, F3, F4, and F5.
Ayaw mo?
Next. Oo nga, diba sa... And then and we will try
Oh, there's an error.
oh,
And error.
and try again. Here's yun. And click the clear And you can see the JTEX clear.
The value of the JTEX clear is being
The value of the JTEX clear is deleted. Okay, let's just. We are here at the delete button. Just remove the comment. Then we'll put an override. Override means it is ability to define a behavior that is specific to the subclass type, which means a subclass can implement a parent subclass method based on our requirements. Override. Then then put public void action perform action event. Then we create another variable int I is equals to a table that get selected row. Selected row. If I is greater than equal 0, then the model that remove row is else then system that out that print is um, delete error. Let's run. Let's check. We'll just put the patient number, then the name, and age. And we'll check the room number. Registered. And it's working. Just remove the comment. This both side. Okay. We need to add a mouse listener to get the value of the row and put it in the text field. Let's put text. Yeah, we better copy it. Copy. and change it to 2. Sorry, 2, 10, 3, 4, text field 4, and lastly 5. Then we'll just run it if it's working. Let's put patient number, name, age, address, and room number. Let's see, it's registered, then clear. Then just select the row and just click the when you click the row, the let's try again. Age, address, and room number. Then click the registered. When you click the row, the value will show in the JText, and then clear. Just select the column and
And lastly, the main method, public static void main string arguments. Then registrar equals to registrar reg equals to new registrar, and then regular reg dot set visible equals to true. Then reg dot size equals to 1400. Reg dot set resizable equals to false. So that's all for today. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.